Hello guys, I am Samriddhi and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that we are going to start a new series. Now we will be discussing a one cue card daily. So I will be sharing with you the cue cards of IELTS topic along with the criteria that how to attempt all those cue cards. So daily we will be taking one topic and I will be sharing the particular ideas and the vocabulary required for it. So stay tuned with my videos, subscribe my channel, share my channel and share the videos which you like with your friends who are struggling to get the good bands in IELTS. So friends, one thing more I would like to add is this is not the toughest exam, but we have to do it with dedication. So I'll try my best. Stay tuned to the last of the video. Okay.
Today's cue card is describe a polluted city that you visited. So in this cue card we have to cover or we have to tell about a city which we visited and it was highly polluted. And what kind of question we need to answer is name that city, where it is, when you visited, describe the pollution you saw there and how you felt. So this is our topic for today. But before starting this topic, I would like to tell you that how you need to know the technique to attempt the cue card. The technique to do the cue card. If you come to know about the technique, then it will help you in attempting each and every cue card. So first thing is always select the keyword. Never directly jump into the questions and try to attempt the cue card. Keyword is very important. Select the keyword first. For example, the cue card in which we are going to discuss today, the main keyword in that is pollution, polluted city, or the role of pollution, how it impacts on our environment and all. So you can select the cue card and always define that cue card, that keyword in your own language or simple words. For example, you can try to give a background statement. So never directly jump onto the questions. Always give a background statement by selecting a main keyword from the cue card and then define it. Later on, read the questions and try to address all the questions asked in the cue card, as we will discuss about our today's cue card in the upcoming part. And the next is, in order to enhance the value of your cue card, always add relevant examples because it will provide a good length to your cue card and as well as it will mesmerize your examiner, and your examples always amplify the value of the cue card. So do not forget to add the examples. Also try to add relevant vocabulary or the words. For example, our today's cue card is related to pollution or environment. So we will be adding some of the words related to environment and pollution. So it is always necessary to add a relevant vocabulary in the cue card so as to fetch more than 7 bands. And one more tip which we can use is, because all examiners are looking for some kind of unique thing, so you can always engage your examiner by adding the connectors, by adding relevant examples, by putting some vocabulary, by giving personal life examples, and do not forget to add the connectors because it gives a bridging end or it connects each and every sentence of your cue card. We have to pick out the keyword and then we have to define it in our own words. So here our keyword is pollution or how it is harmful for our environment. So you have to define it in your own words or you have to give a hook statement or a background statement to start this topic. As I have given one or two for you. Pollution has become a menace in this developing or growing world. So you can start this topic by giving this statement. This is a very simple statement that you can use. So it has become a menace in this developing or growing world. A menace is actually a problem or an issue, or you can say it as peril. So peril is basically the problem or the issue. Or you can use some other statements like even you can define what pollution is. For example, when our natural environment is disturbed by the introduction of undesirable elements, it is termed as pollution. So this is how we have to start the cue card. We don't need to jump directly onto the questions. We first need to fetch out the keyword and define it by giving a hook statement or a background statement. So I hope so that it is clear to you. Next is like you can also use this statement like every nook and corner of the world is engulfed or trapped by this threatening issue. So in order to extend your background statement, you can also give one more statement like every nook and corner of this world is engulfed or trapped by this issue. Engulfed or trapped, as pollution is everywhere, it means. Next is a very journal line that you have to use before addressing the questions which are asked in the cue card. Here I would like to talk about the most polluted city that I visited or that I have seen. For example, the first question was like name the city, where it is, and when you visited. So all these type of questions you can combine. So you can start like this. Here I would like to talk about a city or the most polluted city that I visited recently, or you can say last year, few months ago. So it all depends upon you. For instance, I have written for you, last year, me and my friends went to Delhi via train. It's quite optional that you want to mention the mode of commutation or not. So last year, me and my friends went to Delhi via train. As we stepped out of the railway station, I was shocked to see the heaps of litter or rags that is full of plastic bags or bottles lying over there. So you can just mention your first perception about that city that you visited and it was quite polluted. Even you can mention any of other city except Delhi like Ludhiana. It's also a very polluted city because it is the industrial hub, and Delhi is a polluted city because it is a tri-city. Actually, old Delhi where we were standing. So the place was highly crowded. So you can use this type of word in such cue cards like it's highly crowded place, congested, untidy, overcrowded, and full of noise. So being a tri-city, many people or laborers or workers used to visit or move or migrate to Delhi for work. So this is how you can use the words for one word even, and hence due to the high population density, so you can use this word high population density because Delhi is highly populated and overcrowded. So it is having high population density. So due to this high population density, this place is quite prone to pollution. Means this place is quite susceptible or vulnerable to pollution. So it is quite prone to pollution. So you can use these types of words to describe the type of pollution and the level of pollution. So if I talk about more, then you have to give details about that city. It can be Delhi or any other city of whole globe or world. One can see multiple types of pollution at the same time over there. When you are stepping into the questions, you just need to add connectors. Firstly, you can give the detail because the types of pollution which you have seen is asked in the question. So you can use this connector Firstly, air quality index is quite poor in Delhi as it has highly polluted air with particulate matter less than 2.5. It's quite optional. You can give such kind of information if you know, and it is highly polluted only because of the level of the particulate matter and ashes or soot in the air. So that is why the air quality index of that city is quite poor. Next is, not only this, in a tri-city like Delhi, solid waste management. So this is another word that you can use when you encounter the topic of pollution, like solid waste management was totally out of state or was totally messed up or chaos, as every lane was having heaps and bounds of filthy litter. Heaps and bound means a lot of, ample of, abundant of filthy litter or rag or waste material was just dumped on the lanes. So it was polluting the city, it was leading to land pollution, and solid waste management was also the issue over there. So these kind of words you can add in your cue card when you encounter the cue card related to the pollution. Not the least, the city was so untidy and have noise all around. Hence, noise pollution was also seen by me. So even you can add the type of pollution, because the city was not only having the pollution of air, land, but it was also having the pollution of noise. So even Delhi is listed in top 10 polluted cities of the world. You can add on this information to enhance your cue card that Delhi is the most polluted is among the most polluted cities of the world. So this is how we have to address the question, and at last you have to give your own viewpoint, like how you felt when you visited that city. So overall, I really felt exhausted, annoyed, and I was really dejected or abashed by the level of pollution which I saw over there, untidiness, and hence you can conclude it. The rate of pollution is too high that it has totally disturbed the aesthetic beauty of that place. So you can also comment like this, like the area is totally engulfed or totally into the pollution that it has completely destroyed the beauty of that place. And lastly, you can also give your opinion that we need to control the level of pollution. We need to take some efforts that can mitigate the problem of the pollution.